Hi everyone, this is Lucy. For today's video, I'm making Puerto Rican yellow rice with chickpeas and chorizo. As any other Puerto Rican recipe, we have to begin with a sofrito. I'm chopping 6 to 8 mini sweet peppers, 1 cubanelle, green pepper, 4 to 6 garlic cloves, about 6 to 8 culantro long leaves, about 1 tablespoon of fresh oregano, and you can use the dry kind instead. Then in the blender cup, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to add the mini sweet peppers, the culantro leaves, the garlic, the cubanelle pepper, mix it well together, and then I'm going to add 1 diced red bell pepper. Blend it again. I have my basic sofrito mixture. Then we're going to need 1 large diced onion. I'm using annatto oil for this recipe by boiling about 1/2 of a cup of annatto seeds with 1 cup of vegetable oil until the seeds become dark, about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm using about 3 pounds of uncooked chorizo sausages cut in about 1-inch length pieces. So I have the basic sofrito mixture, 1 large diced onion, 2 cans cooked chickpeas, 1 can tomato sauce, 4 cups short grain rice, 5 cups chicken broth, 3 pounds uncooked chorizo, and other small amount ingredients. Using my large cardero or Dutch oven, I'm going to fry my chorizo until it's completely brown in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The chorizo will create a crust in the bottom of the pot, so don't worry about that. Add the onion and saute the onion until it's translucent. Then we're going to add the basic sofrito mixture, which contains the mini sweet peppers, culantro, cubanelle. This mixture is going to cook until it starts lifting at the bottom of the pot and it turns practically brown. Then we add the tomato sauce. Saute for about a minute or 2, and then we add about 1/4 of a cup of the annatto oil, and this is completely optional. Then we add the 2 cans of chickpeas. Mix well, and I'm going to add the chicken broth. I'm going to let this mixture become to a boiling. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes to become boiling. Then I'm going to taste for salt and add some salt as needed. Again, salt is completely optional. I love to add curry powder, so I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Make sure if you use the curry, it's the sweet kind. Once the mixture is boiling, then I'm going to add the short grain rice, which I already rinsed. As soon as I add the rice to the mixture, I'm going to lower the temperature to medium and let the rice absorb the liquid or most of the liquid. Once the liquid is absorbed by the rice, then I stir the rice, lower the temperature to low or simmer, and make a tight seal to the pot. Cover the pot and let it cook for 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 or 60 minutes, the rice is completely cooked. I did not turn or stir the rice at midpoint. I let it cook completely and now it's ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe and that you try it soon. The ingredients and the steps to take to make this delicious recipe are in the description area below this video. Come back to see me again. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Enjoy your afternoon with your friends and family. Bye bye.